Alright, let's go over how to score penalties in episode 26 and make them as close to perfect as possible. First of all, penalties are all about keeping it simple. You have basically got 5 target zones: top left, top right, bottom right, and straight down in the middle. So for example, if I want to place the ball in the bottom left, I just hold my left stick down towards that corner. Same thing if I want top left, top right, or middle, just aim the stick in that direction before you shoot. Now the most important thing you'll notice is the composure ring around the ball. This ring depends on your player's composure stat. If your player has high composure, the ring will close in and expand slowly, making it easier to time. But if composure is low, it will shake a lot more, so you will have to be extra precise. Along with composure, the penalty stat affects accuracy and placement, but the real game changer is power. To hit the perfect penalty, you want your power bar at about 90%. Don't go full 100% because that increases the chance of missing the target. At the same time, don't underhit either. If you stay around 70%, it's safer, but keeper might save it. The best approach is to line up your shot, say bottom left, and press the shoot right as the composure ring is at its tightest. Then hold your power bar around 90%. That way the ball tucks into the corner and usually stays out of the keeper's reach. And of course, you can mix it up with a cheap penalty, as well as if you wanna go for finish penalty, you can do that too in order to add some style. But honestly, a standard powerful penalty is the most reliable way to score. So to sum it up, aim where you want, time the ring at its smallest point, load up around 90% power, and place it beyond the keeper. That's how you can consistently score penalties in episode 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.